When big boys are talking, VC, calm down. Escorts they follow money, but you know they follow certificates. You get why? No be to get 7 ATM cards, oh. They withdraw. Happy birthday, KK Kubana. Rich man wake up money, so they want ritually shout Hosanna. I call him a fearless baller. He said, bring all your ballers, come. They no still rich. Money what you chop for one club last week. Now he made a put your picture for 3 billboards right now. Unbeatable baller. Management of Tipsy Garden and Grill say Hyper Morgan fire KK Kubana with this expensive hype on this special day as he venture into a new year. We outside on Saturday to celebrate with the king of ballers. Many more years to you, more connections, money man, and may your balling power never cease forever.